How to fix X Twitter sensitive content settings if not working. So in this video, I will show you how to fix X Twitter sensitive content settings if not working. So to get started, go ahead and open Twitter on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account. Click on More at the left side of your screen. And then from here, click on Settings. And then on Settings, head over to Privacy and Safety. And in here, go ahead and click on Content You See. So under the Content You See section, you'll be able to find this display media that may contain sensitive content. Now, if you want to play this on your Twitter account, you need to check this box. Now, if this is unchecked, that means that is the reason why sensitive content is not working. But if you don't want to see this, make sure to uncheck it. And that is how you can basically fix X Twitter sensitive content settings if not working.